Hi students, good morning everyone. In last class, I have covered all the three sections of Prose 2 Trip to my grandparents' village. Is it? Okay, fine. In today's video, I am going to revise all the book back exercise once again. Come, let's move on to today's topic. Now I am going to revise glossary, eager, keen, vacation, holiday, numerous, great in number, pebble, a kind of stone, and expert, well skilled. Already we learned the glossaries. Now I just revised it. Now we move on to match the following. Cuckoo. What did cuckoo did? Cuckoo sings. Yes, very good. Breeze blows. And then third one, river flows. And then fourth one, fish swims. These are the one words you have in your book bag. Now we move on to question and answer. In last class I read it out. Now again I am going to revise it with the answers. How did Santosh record his diary? How did Santosh record his diary? Santosh record his diary using his... What did he use to record his events, day by day events? How we record his events? Did you have any ideas? Yes, by using his mother's mobile. So, first one answer is Santosh record his diary using his mother's phone. This is your first answer. Okay, children. Now we move on to second one. Name some of the activities that the village children were doing on their vacation. What are the activities that village children were doing on their holidays? Did you remember it? Okay, good. Fine, kids. Now we move on to second answer. So, second one answer is help to milking cow, help to peel the groundnut and playing with stick and tire. Concentrate and study well, children. This is your second answer. Second one answer is help to milking cow, help to peel the groundnut and playing with stick and tire. And we move on to third one. Why did Santosh forget to watch television or play video games? Why did Santosh forget to watch television or to play video games? Did you remember? Because he was enjoying with his friends and also enjoying his vacation in the village. So he forgot to watch television or to play video games. This is your third one. And we move on to fourth one. Did Santosh enjoy his morning walk? How do you know? The answer is yes. He enjoyed his morning walk. He feels the cool breeze. This is your fourth one answer. And we move on to fifth answer now. How did Santosh spend his time when he went to the river? How did Santosh spend his time when he went to the river? Yeah, very good, children. He placed some time in cool water, sit in the rock and watched his friends. He used to sit in the rock and also watched his friends playing over there. And we move on to sixth one. How does Santosh know that the river is clean? How did Santosh know that the river is clean? He can see the pebbles in the riverbed. By this, Santosh knows that the river is clean. So this is how your 6 questions gets over. Okay, children, I hope all these 6 questions are very clear to you, and it's time for your assignment topic. So, we discussed 6 question answers from second prose trip to my grandparents' village. Is it? Did you all enjoyed it? Okay, fine. So, I have completed question answers from prose 2. See, again I am giving you the answers. Please revise it well, children. Today your assignment is you are going to write test upon all these 6 question answers. Okay. See, again I flash the answers for each and every questions. Okay. First one, Santosh recorded his diary using his mother's phone. And second one answer is help to milking cow, help to peel the groundnut and playing with stick and tire. This is your second answer. And we move on to third one. Again I am revising for you only, children. Just recall it and write test properly. Okay. And one more thing is write test very sincerely, children. And now we move on to third one. Third answer. I am going to recall answers only. Okay. Listen carefully. Because he was enjoying his. How Santosh spends his time without watching television or to play video games? How did he enjoy his vacation? Yes, very good. The answer is because he was enjoying with his friends on vacation in the village. So that he forgot to watch TV and also to play video games. And now we move on to fourth one. Yes, he enjoyed his morning walk. Did he enjoy his morning walk in the village? Yes, of course, he enjoyed his morning walk. He feels the cool breeze. Okay, children, this is your fourth answer. Now we move on to fifth answer. He plays some time in the cool water, sit in the rock and watched his friends. This is how Santosh spent his time in the river. Okay, children, now we move on to sixth one. He can see the dash in the river bed. How Santosh know that river is clean? Because he can see the pebbles in the river bed. By this, Santosh knows the river is clean. These are the 6 question answers from your second prose trip to my grandparents' village. So, now it's time for your assignment topic. As I mentioned already, today you are going to write all these 6 question answers as a test. Okay, children? I hope you clearly understood all these 6 question answers which I covered and recalled in this video. So, your response is very important for us. So, do your assignment, write test and submit it soon in your Google Classroom, children. I hope this is very clear to you. Is it, children? Okay, fine. Now, you are going to write 6 question answers as a test. Parents, please guide your children. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, children? Thank you for your response, parents and also children. Thank you so much.